All right, and we're back.
Right.
Another piece to the hey Jer, say hi.
Hi.
Hi Jen. Another piece to the puzzle for my truck. This is going on my YouTube channel, by the way, so you know.
Okay.
And what we have here, let's turn them sideways, is Harley logo seat covers, and made for the ones with the airbags, which I have. Side got mesh pockets in the rear, and the bar and shield, which matches the rest of my truck. So Jen here was kind enough to order them for me from the dealership and have them shipped in here. So beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you as always.
We appreciate
and
you.
Good. Thank you. It's nice to hear that. So, all right, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and send a message hi to Jen and Geri, wherever she went. All right. See you in the next one.